Welcome back, YouTube. It's your man Doom. You're probably wondering right now, where's the League of Legends gameplay? Well, this is slightly a different video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to start your own free YouTube channel. Yes, free. Everything I use, absolutely free, won't cost you a dime. Whether you're going to look at doing it for the money aspect, whether you're going to do it for doing the hobby aspect, bringing light, bringing joy to somebody, that's how I do it. But this is what you need. The basics. Zero money. First things first. Sticky note. It's not actually the first thing on my sticky note thing, but it just came to mind. It's the easiest thing. I'll actually show you how I'm creating this video right now. So first, we have our sticky note. It's on most of your computers. Sticky note, notepad. I just preferably use sticky note because it's a little bit smaller in the top of my screen right here. Anyways, so we got the sticky note down. Write your ideas, plan it out. That's all you need. Second thing, which would actually be number one up here, we need something to capture your video, capture your gameplay. So what we have right here, OBS Studios. Free, guys. Free. Let me say it one more time. Free. Actually, right here, this is me recording this video right now. The multiple windows. Window, 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 window. But this is how I'm recording this video at this moment. But either way, guys, I'll do a more in-depth thing later on how to set this thing up in the future. But just telling you, OBS, I love it. It's free. You can't beat free. Second thing, which would actually be the third, we're going to need editing software. What I use Resolve right here. There's a Resolve server right here, but for us, it's a Resolve right here. Actually, in the background right now, I just completed editing a video right here coming up in the next couple of days from my channel. So, Resolve Studios. Yes, there's a paid version. This is the free version. This is all you need. Maybe you want to get a little bit in depth later. You want to spend that money, but Resolve beats out most free and, well, I would say all free and most editing software out there. You can't beat it. It's perfect. If you want, for just getting started out to your intermediate, even if you got into it and you know every aspect of it, it's perfect. So that's your editing software right there. That's Resolve. I'll put links to all this stuff in below. Third thing, you're going to need to be able to snip pictures of your videos, that kind of thing. Or maybe artwork. You need to create artwork. So we're going to come right down here. We got our snip tool. It's on most computers. It's free. You already have it. You already have it. Tool right here. Easy. All you need to do, click new. Let's just say we're going to pull that image right there. That's it. Then you come right up here, you save it to your documents. We'll just put it as showing off, whatever. Save it. You can go back and look at it later. Click it out. I've got it pinned to my bar just because of the fact that I use it so often. All right, next step, guys. It's not going to be the notepad and the sticky note. We already covered that right there. Skipping on to your artwork and thumbnail creation. I use Canva. It's free. Free. Zero money. Yes, you can get a paid version of this, but the free version is just, I mean, it's all you're going to need to get started with. Right here, we just come up, create design, like that. Custom dimensions, going to go set it to 1920 by 180. Create new design. It's going to bring us up on all this loveliness right here. I'm going to come to uploads where I have snipped out all these different artworks, designs, that kind of thing, preparing that same thumbnail for that same video that you saw me editing earlier. That's it. It's all right there. You just drag it, you drop it, you can move it around, you can cut things out of it. I mean, you can drop the transparency. Ghost mode right there. Sorry, got to throw in a little bit of jokes there. You know how it is. Anyways, right here, that's what I created. Simple, easy, just by dragging and dropping. Again, you can see my uploads right there. Drag, drop, push it, pull it around, add text, funny text, regular text, add shapes. There's plenty of free things on here. You can do this, guys. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Anyways, guys, we're going to drop that down. We're going to skip back up to the top. We're going to say start your YouTube. It's free. Again, it's free to start. I can't stress this enough, guys. What are you waiting for? Right here, I've already started. This is my channel, just starting out. But, I mean, honestly, guys, it's free to start. I've said it, and I'll say it again. It's free. Next thing, guys, you're going to need a little bit of free music to go with your videos. You're like, oh, man, I don't want to be copyrighted. I don't know how to do this. But I want some music. I want it to sound good. Well, let's go back over here. There's my YouTube channel. We're going to go to YouTube Studios. You can see all my background stuff and all that other. We're going to come down here. Audio library. You've created your YouTube already. You just go to your channel. Boom, audio library right here. We can sit here. We can test out. There's hundreds upon hundreds of songs. You can sort it out above. You can sort it out by the mood, by the genre, by the artist. You can test play it right here. You like the music? Download it. Download multiples. Go ahead and fill up that bank, that memory bank on your computer. Use it in your videos for later. Use this one. Use that one. I mean, come on, right here. Title, 4 more weeks. Alternative punk, sad music, bands in Japan. Uploaded September 2020, just lately. We're going to sit here and hit the play button. Y'all should be hearing that right there. Just testing out, that kind of thing. Test them out. Download them. Easy. Easy. And it's free. No copyright. You don't have to worry about somebody coming back and giving you all that trouble of, oh, you owe me money for this. Or even getting your YouTube banned. It's free. Now, there's other options out there, non-copyright songs. There's multiple ones out there, but this is the easiest one for you to use. You already have it. You created YouTube. It's there already. YouTube has made it that easy. All right, guys. Our next thing is going to be find your niche. Now, you may be like, find your niche. Find your idea. What do you love doing? Maybe it's something you want to make money off of. For me, it's a hobby. What is my hobby? League of Legends. I love playing it. I play it with my kids. I play it with my friends. I play it with my brother. It's just, and guess what? Also, that game is free. You can play it for free. So, in an aspect, everything that I've got right here, everything that I'm showing y'all today is free. That's it, guys. You can go out and start it. Start your YouTube channel. Download OBS. Download Resolve. You've already got Snip. Notepad, sticky note. There's something on your computer already. I'm just telling you. Art and thumbnail design. You've got Canva right here. I mean, it's easy. Create an account, a free account. Don't pay a dime. Your music, I already showed you. You've got that audio library right here. Can't beat it. And then find your niche. What is your idea? Is it going to be a makeup tutorial? Is it going to be a lifestyle? Is it going to be how to make money? Is it going to be how to fix your car? The ideas, I mean, are unlimited. You're only limited by your ideas. So get on out there, download these programs. I'm not sponsored by anybody in this that I have just said. I'm not receiving one dime from any of these programs, any of these games, anything. And I'm making videos, what I love to do, for free. And I urge y'all, go out there today, get it started, start making your videos, start bringing that light, that life, that laughter out there to the world. If you liked what you guys see, please subscribe, throw me a like, help me bring more of that laughter, that love to the world. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you thought. Tell me if it helped you. Tell me if this video, if it helps one person, One person start up their dream at starting a YouTube channel. That's good enough for me. Tell me what you want to see. If there's anything else, I tell you, I'll try to get to it, try to make it happen for you. As always, guys, this is Doom. Y'all please have a nice day.